Hi, I'm John Pettinger with the Chamber Connection, and today I'm here with Sandy Brulowski with the Hawthorne Credit Union.
Yes.
And you're a vice president there?
Yes, president of marketing.
Of marketing. So what does that mean? What's your daily activities? What are you tasked with?
I am tasked with getting the communication out to the community and to our members about the credit union, what we're offering, and why they should come to us for financial services.
A little bit of competition?
There's a lot of competition, a lot, yeah.
Well, let's start with, just from a personal standpoint, help me understand the difference between a bank and a credit union. What's the difference?
Well, the difference is our structure is not for profit. And we're a financial cooperative, which means that we're owned and operated by the people who use the credit union. So the people who come to the credit union and deposit their money and take their loans out, they're actually the owners of the credit union.
Oh, okay. And so we have a vested interest when we make deposits in there.
Absolutely, because when any income that the credit union earns, because we're not for profit, goes back into the credit union, and so we can keep fees low, we can keep loan rates low, we can offer higher certificate and savings account rates.
Okay. So from a advantage point, the credit union, what can the credit union, why would I come to the credit union versus a bank?
Well, because of the nonprofit structure, we're really focused on the member and what's best for our members, how we can improve their financial wellness. We're really focused on that. We don't have to be concerned as much about profit.
Okay. So I would think that you would, the rates would be more competitive.
Absolutely.
Programs tailored specifically, are you able to more personalize the programs that you offer?
Yeah, absolutely. We can do that. And we really go out of our way to make a situation work for one of our members.
Okay. And I know that there's been some changes in the credit union history as far as what they've been responsible for. It seems like you've been able to open up more of your doors to more people.
That's true. We've been granted community charters so that they're more open. It used to be that if you were a teacher or you worked for a specific organization, you joined the credit union that is affiliated with that company or the teachers union. And now we have community charters. So at Hawthorne, anyone who lives or works in DuPage County, Kane County, Kendall County, Will County, and actually in Cook County, west of certain areas of Cook County, can join the credit union.
Oh, wonderful. Where are you located now?
We have two branches. We have one in Naperville at 1519 North Naper Boulevard, which is just north of Ogden and just south of I-88.
Across from the McDonald's and Fridays there.
Right, exactly. And then we have a second branch that's in Bolingbrook at Lily Cash and Weber Road.
Okay.
Which is by Krispy Kreme.
Krispy Kreme. Wonderful. Okay, so as an individual, personal, I would come to you.
Absolutely.
A whole slew of different...
Right. We offer just about everything that you can find at a traditional bank. So we have savings and checking accounts, we have certificate accounts, money market accounts, all kinds of loans, credit cards, auto loans, home equity, mortgages, and then we offer services for your business. So you can come to us for a commercial loan. You can come to us for your business checking account, cash management account. And then another new thing that we're offering the last few years is investment services. So now if you're interested, you have excess money that you need to invest for retirement, planning for your kids' college education, come to us and we can work with you on that too.
Oh, wonderful. You know what, I guess I'm a little surprised that there's that much. And maybe that's why we're doing the show. We can educate more people that there's a wide spectrum of things that the credit union can do.
There are a lot of misconceptions about credit unions. As you said, you suggested that you thought that they were closed. And we were closed, but now we're open, and that's the message that we're trying to get out.
What's your biggest challenge to get that message out?
Competition. We have a lot of competition. There are a lot of large banks, especially in the Chicago market. It's a very competitive market, and they have a lot of advertising dollars, and so they have a lot more resources to get their message out.
How long have you been with Hawthorne?
I've been with Hawthorne for 7 years, but I've been working with credit union marketing since 1990, 91, something like that.
Wonderful. So. What's any new marketing programs coming out that people will see? that you're working on?
Our latest thing that we're kind of excited about is we joined the Allpoint surcharge-free ATM network. So now, along with Allpoint, and we have two others, Star SF and Co-op, we actually have 57,000 surcharge-free ATMs that our members can use across the nation.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and there's actually like 900 here in Naperville alone. So
okay, so I'm a consumer. I'm a part of the Hawthorne Credit Union, but I'm not at Hawthorne. What do I look for on a ATM so that I know that there's not going to be a fee?
You look for one of three logos. Allpoint is a green and yellow. It's hard to describe, but Allpoint, Star SF, or Co-op.
Okay.
And those logos are on our website if you're interested in seeing what those are, so you know what to look for. And we have a locator too, so that you can go in, put in your address at your home or your work, and it'll give you a list of surcharge-free ATMs right in a radius near you.
So essentially then there's no boundaries for Hawthorne Credit Union as far as a consumer that wants to bank with you?
Really, there isn't. In addition to that surcharge-free network, we also have extensive online banking. What would we do without online banking? We've got 24 hours a day. You can go online and check your balances, transfer money, pay bills. You can download all your account information if you use Quicken or Money, download all your information into those software programs, and you can budget, in the middle of the night if you want to. Wow. So really, you don't really need to live near a branch. That's another misconception, is that you really don't need to live close by.
Okay, okay. So, if I can sum it up, and you got to correct me if I'm wrong.
Okay.
Bank, credit union. Credit union is a not-for-profit.
Yes.
And that helps keep the fees lower. But from the credit union's perspective, you now have investment counselors. You can do business checking. You can do personal checking. You can do online banking. You can serve fees, surcharge-free ATMs. What else am I missing?
You've got it all.
Wow, what a quick study, huh?
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad that we've had this opportunity to talk, because just from my perspective, to understand the difference between a credit union and a bank is huge, and that we've had an opportunity to learn more about Hawthorne Credit Union. Tell me again, before we leave, how people can contact you, because I'm sure that once they've seen this show, your phone is going to start ringing off.
Absolutely. Well, our phone number for members is 630-369-4070.
Okay.
And then we have a website. It's ehawthorne.org.
Okay.
There's an E at the beginning and the end of that.
For electronic or?
Exactly.
Okay.
So you can get more information about the credit union, check our current rates online. You can even apply for a loan online. Even if you're not a member, you can apply for a loan right away. So.
Or you can walk into the
Or you can walk into one of our branches. Yeah, we
wonderful.
love to have people come into our branches. So.
Wonderful. Well, this has been enlightening, and I thank you very much for being here with us today.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Sandy Brylowski, Vice President of Marketing for the Hawthorne Credit Union. I know that the Chamber has been very thankful that you're a part of the Chamber as well. And I'm thankful that you're part of the NCTV group as well.
Thank you.
Thanks for being here. I'm John Pettinger. This is Chamber Connection. We'll be right back.